Do you find yourself in a huge rush in the morning and either scarfing down the first thing that you see or maybe running out of the house without eating entirely? Hi, I'm April with Bliss Evolution, and I know sometimes we get in a big rush to get to work and we don't have time to take care of ourselves the way that we'd want to. So, I want to share with you 3 healthy and delicious smoothie recipes that I use on a very regular basis when I'm in a rush. And because I'm in a rush most days, I'm usually having a smoothie every morning for breakfast. It's filled with spinach, but you wouldn't even know it, and it tastes like a milkshake. So enjoy. Here are my homemade smoothie recipes, and I hope they give you a little bit more time in the morning as you're rushing to work. So let's make one together. With these 4 simple ingredients, you can make the base of any smoothie that you like. So you'll need half a banana, 3 fresh or frozen strawberries, a big heaping tablespoonful of Greek yogurt, and half a cup of orange juice. Then mix it all together. Now, if you'd like to add some additional things, you can throw in some walnuts and spinach. I also like to put in some chia seeds. And in this one, I threw in a couple of blueberries as well. You can add whatever you have on hand. So to check out this recipe or more, go to the blog blissevolution.com/blog and you'll see my latest blog post filled with lots of delicious smoothie recipes so that you can get going for your day.